Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa, and today I wanted to bring you some unique perspective on back pain. I had a massage last night with a neuromuscular therapist named Nihal at Strategic Bodywork, so big shout out to them and their neuromuscular work, and a unique perspective on referral pattern pains that are coming from the abdominals. So there's myofascial trigger points in our abs and our psoas, which is the hip flexor that can create back pain. And so sometimes when we spend a lot of time bent over, sitting, driving, or like in my case, chiropractic, bending over patients, our abs can get tight and our back can hurt because we've got trigger points in our abs. So I'm going to give you a couple of stretches that have a unique perspective that you might not think of for your back today. So you can lay on your belly and you can turn your head in either direction, right or left, whichever is most comfortable. And what you're going to do is try to reach your toe to the opposite side, like that. And then you're just gonna hang out. And what you should feel is a stretch along the front of your abdomen and all the way down your thigh, as much as to the knee. And you're just gonna breathe and relax and allow the weight of your leg to pull your abs and help it slowly release. I recommend holding stretches for 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes to allow those big muscles to kind of release and relax. And then I would recommend doing it on the other side. For the psoas, I'm going to show you a lunge stretch and also a nerve floss that I really like. So you're going to bring one foot in front of the other and you're going to bring the hips forward. I like to have people bring the arm up. If you feel wobbly, don't hesitate to hold onto a bench or a chair. It doesn't have to be a balancing exercise. And for this one, you're going to lean forward. You want to make sure your hip's not opening, but it's pushing forward, and then slightly arching your back, and then you're going to lean towards the leg that's in front, just slightly, and you should feel that stretch come all the way across the hip up into the abdomen to get the higher insertions of the psoas. Again, take a couple of deep breaths. When we take long, slow, deep breaths, we engage our parasympathetic, our relaxation system. The other one that I like is more of a nerve floss. So your legs are going to be more square. So you want your knee, hip, and shoulders to be all stacked up and the front leg to be at a 90-degree angle. And here you're going to imagine there's like a towel bar across the bottom of your rib cage. You're going to squeeze your butt cheek and push forward, keeping everything in one line, and then you're just going to bend over that bar, and you should feel a big stretch through the front of the leg and the front of the hip. And then again, same thing, you're going to bend over the bar in the back to lift up, and again feel that stretch down the front of the leg, bending forward, bending back. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of some unique stretches for your back.